Hi guys, my name is Shivani Marathe and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a makeup look. It's my go-to glam makeup look for any family functions I am attending or any wedding or anything. So this is my go-to look. I am going to share it with you guys. If you want, you can even try it out. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so let's start by moisturizing our face. So I am using my go-to Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. Since you're gonna apply a lot of layers of makeup, I will recommend to put a lot of moisturizer because it will help protect your skin. And now if you're going to some day function, then obviously I would recommend you all to wear some sunscreen as well, because that will add on to the layer of protection. And yeah, next I am using the Lakme Absolutes Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, and this till now it's my favorite primer because it's really good. So it's also, I don't apply primer on a regular basis, like, because it clogs your pores. That's what I've heard people telling. So I use it occasionally, only when I have to, yeah, like such events. So I don't use primer on a regular basis. And I'm gonna put some primer on my eyelids as well, because we are gonna do a lot of eyeshadow today. Lot in the sense, not so much, just a little. So you have to have a nice base for that. So we're gonna start with our eyes and we're gonna do some eyeshadow. Now I'm wearing a yellow dress, so I'm gonna go with some yellow color and some glitter on it, like a spark. So for that I am using the Makeup Revolutions palette, which has the yellow shade, and I am going to apply it on my entire eyelid. So the yellow shade is applied. Now for the glitter, I am going in with this shade right here. I'm just gonna take it on my hand and just gonna dab it slightly on my eyelid. Okay, eyes is done. Next I'm gonna apply some eyeliner, and for that I am using the Maybelline's Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner, and I'm going to do a wing liner today. So I'm done with the liner, and these are one of those days where my liner doesn't cooperate with me and I just mess it up like in a total this thing. So yeah, now let's just forget that and let's move on to base. So I'm thinking of skipping the foundation part because usually I do foundation, sometimes I don't, I just go on with the concealer. But then today, I don't know, I'm having two minds. I think I'll go with foundation. So for the foundation, you all know I'm using my go-to Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm just gonna take very little on the back of my hand, and I'm going to dab it with the beauty blender. Oh my god, it's almost over. I just took this much, so I'm gonna apply it all over my face and then I'm gonna blend it. Okay, next is the concealer part. So for the concealer, can you even guess it? I'm using the Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. in the shade Caramel. So this is a really good product. I really like this product because it actually hides all these spots and gives you that flawless base. So yeah, I love this product. Some compact powder on the areas where I concealed. For the blush, I am going with the Benetint from Benefit. Now this product is really pigmented. Now there are two. I've heard of Go-Go Tint, that's a little more what do you call, I don't know what to say. This is very liquidy, like too liquid. That's not that much. I prefer the Go-Go Tint than the Benetint. If you're buying, just buy the Go-Go Tint, I will say, not the Benetint. I like Benetint, but then I don't know. It's just, yeah, this is much more no, this is not as pigmented as the Go-Go Tint. The Go-Go Tint is much more pigmented than the Benetint. So I would prefer the Go-Go Tint than the Benetint. Next I'll do my brows. I'm using the Obvious Sugars brow definer in the shade 01 Jerry Brown. Doing some bronzer, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution bronzer. So for the mascara, I am using the Estee Lauder's Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. I am not going to do any falsies today because I'm not in the mood to do falsies. Then it'll become a lot heavy. So I'm just going to do mascara. Lips today, I am using the MAC Studios lip liner. Look how small it has become. And then I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris lipstick in the shade 208 Cherry Crush. It looks like this. So first I'm gonna line my lips and then I'm gonna use that. I'm using K by Katrina's highlighter in the shade Honey Glaze on my usual points. Now I'm gonna set my face with the Faces Canada's Ultim Pro Makeup Fixer. I'm just gonna spray it all over my face. Now makeup is done. I don't know what to do with my hair. I am just confused right now. I guess I'm gonna just leave it and do a simple plait here. I'll just see what to do. I'm gonna put these earrings today. They are metal earrings and I love metal earrings. They are so good. I just love them. Oh god, this is heavy. It's really heavy. it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want more such videos, comment down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.